Mastering prepositions. Precision with at. Hello language learners. Welcome back to our series on prepositions of place. Today, we're zooming in on the usage of the preposition at for specific points. We'll dissect when and how to correctly use at in different scenarios to help you master its application in English. Get ready to nail the nuances of at. At is a preposition of place, which means it's used to specify the location or direction of something. When we're talking about specific points, we use at. For example, if you're at a particular address, like at 123 Main Street, or at a specific location like at the library, at is your go-to preposition. Remember, at is best used when referring to specific, pinpoint locations. Let's look at some examples to get a better understanding of at in action. 1. I'm waiting at the bus stop. 2. She's studying at the library. 3. We're having lunch at the new cafe on Main Street. 4. They're playing soccer at the park. In all these examples, at is used to refer to specific points or locations. Notice how at allows you to be precise and specific about where an action is happening. While at is used for specific points, in and on are used for larger areas and surfaces respectively. For instance, you would say, I'm at the bus stop, a specific point, but I'm in New York City, a larger area, and the book is on the table, a surface. Understanding the differences between these prepositions and when to use each one can greatly improve the accuracy of your English. Well done! Today you've expanded your understanding of the preposition at and its usage for specific points. This knowledge will aid you greatly in being precise and correct in your English communication. Keep practicing these usages in your daily English, and you'll become more fluent and confident. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll continue this fascinating journey into the world of English prepositions. Until next time, keep learning, and happy studying.